Switch it. Just use your imagination. Ghetto, living uptown. Uptown, living in the garrison. It wouldn't be easy. Could never be easy. Not at all. Yeah, I know disrespect. It's just people living in other people's footsteps. It's more like a reality check. Know what I mean? Imagine uptown people are living on the ghetto for a week. Downtown move gone in the uptown era. Things nice, proper English them a speak. Uptown people coulda never stand it when the pipe them a leak. First of all, them never knew how to bridge light. Now I use the igloo with the ice them used to fridge life. Bitch a Porsche, I live a Spain. Bitch a Bruce Golden, live a 100 lane. Bitch a me, we're richer than Matalan. While him live a Ken tie up and piece of capture land. Bitch a Michael Leachin, one off the gully side. Him and the thugs them a bleach, so you can't go beside. Picture Bush to water, wipe car glass, and I ask you for the change where you got now. No, it wouldn't be easy trading places with the ghetto. It wouldn't be easy to hear rich people pass a echo. It wouldn't be easy, wouldn't be nice to see us rise, give them a surprise and make them know we can also live these lives. Imagine uptown people are living on the ghetto for a week. Downtown move gone in the uptown era. Things nice, proper English never speak. Uptown people coulda never stand it when the pipe them a leak. First of all, them never knew how to bridge life. Now I use the igloo with the ice them used to fridge life. What if Sizzler was the commissioner of police? Couldn't arrest with a split. If Alliance was national security, nobody could violate nor slip. Suppose uptown people have a yam chicken back and son can meal. Go see them with finger lick. Now imagine if ghetto youth a go at the ATM for draw cash. Uptown youth a pocket them a pick now. Hey, me say we can't separate yourself. Uptown, downtown, come we elevate yourself. Street knowledge it make me educate myself for me wise. Me say we can't separate yourself. Uptown, downtown, come we elevate yourself. Street knowledge it make me educate myself and be wiser. Hey, picture that, it wouldn't be easy. Uptown trading place.